In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube transcript not available in NotebookLM. If you've tried adding a YouTube link into NotebookLM and it says the transcript isn't available, don't worry, there's a simple workaround. We'll grab the transcript directly from YouTube and add it to NotebookLM as copied text so you can analyze, summarize, and ask questions just like you normally would. Start by opening the exact YouTube video you want to use in NotebookLM. Make sure you're on the videos page, not a search result. On that page, look for the More menu. This is usually shown as 3 dots. Click it, then scroll to find the option labeled Show Transcript. When you select Show Transcript, YouTube opens a transcript panel with the video's captions, typically with timestamps on each line. Now highlight the entire transcript. You can click at the top, drag to the bottom, and copy everything using your regular copy shortcut. It's fine if timestamps are included. NotebookLM can still work with the text. If you prefer cleaner text, you can remove timestamps later, but it isn't required for this method to work. Next, switch over to NotebookLM. From the main screen, click Create New to start a fresh notebook. You'll see different ways to add sources. Choose Copied Text. This tells NotebookLM that you're going to paste content directly rather than linking to a file or website. In the Copied Text field, paste the transcript you just copied from YouTube. Give it a quick glance to make sure the text looks complete and readable, especially the beginning and end. Then click Insert. NotebookLM will add this transcript as a source in your notebook. Depending on the length of the video, it may take a moment to process. Once it's in, you can reference it like any other source, ask questions about the content, generate summaries, or pull out key points. That's all there is to it. By pulling the transcript straight from YouTube and adding it as copied text, you bypass the transcript not available limitation and still get full access to the information you need inside NotebookLM. If you ever repeat this process, just remember, open the YouTube video, show the transcript, copy it, create a new notebook in NotebookLM, pick copied text, paste and insert. This quick fix lets you keep your workflow moving without waiting on automatic transcript availability.